Hi, my name is T.S.White, and you're watching my series about programming tag in Netlogo. And today we're going to do the planning stage of this, because it's the first video, and that's the first thing we do always, is we plan. Yay! Okay. So what we're going to do is first we're going to talk about the rules of tag. We're going to figure out what those are. So the first rule of tag is that you choose an it, right? And because it is an article and it's going to get really confusing if I talk about how it is chasing everybody else, except that it maybe not. Anyway, it is confusing, so we're just going to rename this chaser. So choose a chaser. And the chaser has separate rules from the chasees, from the runners. We're going to call them runners. That sounds good. So the first thing we do is we choose a chaser. And the second thing we do is we need rules for chaser rules. And chaser rules are run around and chase other players, right? And that's actually kind of about it. Anyway, the runner rules are pretty much run around and avoid the chaser. And we might have more than one chaser at some point. There we go. So we chose a chaser and then run individual code. How do you spell individual? Run individual code, and then what happens when the chaser catches a runner? 3 catch new chaser. Right? And catch new chaser is the important part because it goes like this. 3.1 is must be in the same space. And old chaser becomes runner. New chaser becomes chaser. And choose new target. I don't think we need to go that detailed right now. I don't think we need that 3.1 either. There we go. Those look like the rules of tag, right? You know, you run around. If you're the chaser, you try to catch other players and make them the chaser, not you. And if you're running around and avoiding the chaser, well, that's exactly what you're doing. So it is exactly what it says on the tin. So those are our basic rules of tag. Now, I'm going to go a step further, though, and I'm going to say we want to ask some questions with this. We want to make it science-y, because really what we want to know, I think, is how do you win? And by that I mean, you know, best strategies, right? Right? And the question then would be like, do you cheat? Fail. Okay. And of course, the question is how? things like that. So like just thinking of little things like you could hide, you could hang out with other in groups, which may or may not work very well, who knows. You could, I don't know, I'm not very good at this. If you guys come up with ways to cheat at tag, then post a comment or something, and I'll probably program them in a later video, because that's what we're doing. Yay! Anyway, so this has been the planning video of Netlogo tag. In the next video, we're going to talk about setting up, like, how do we actually make this thing called tag, right? Anyway, but yeah, if you come up with strategies on how to actually win at tag, yeah, we'll talk about those later. Cool. Let me know if you come up with anything interesting. Okay, see you next time. Bye.